Is your Tesco app crashing or freezing on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Many users experience this, often due to software bugs, incompatibility issues, or corrupted data. Many users experience this, often due to software bugs, incompatibility issues, or corrupted data. Since early 2025, Tesco has addressed many of these issues with updates, but problems can still occur. Here's how to tackle it. First, restart your device. This clears temporary glitches. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi with over 10 Mbps is ideal. Also, make sure your phone has at least 500 megabytes of free storage. If a restart doesn't resolve the crashing or freezing, update the Tesco app. Outdated apps are a primary cause of crashes. Check the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android for the latest version, currently around version 5.2.1 for iOS and 5.1.9 for Android as of late 2025. Next, clear the app's cache. This removes temporary files that can become corrupted. On Android, find the Tesco app in your settings. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, you may need to offload the app. As a last resort, reinstall the app. This removes and reinstalls the entire application, fixing deep-seated issues. If problems persist after trying these advanced troubleshooting steps, contact Tesco customer service for direct support.